so I'm gonna spray
thanks for including us today, Valian. Oh, you guys are very welcome.
Spotlight myself so people,
And we're gonna make stuffings. Yep, we're gonna make stuffings. And Hevel's stuff was pretty good in the past. Oh yeah, it was. Especially her cornbread muffins.
Like this?
Yep. Even though they had no jalapenos inside of the muffins because Hevel cannot handle hot and spicy. Nope, she can't. And nope, she can't. These are the breadcrumbs we are using for the stuffings. Not knowing that they are usually using actual breadcrumbs. And these are the onions I am using for the stuffings.
So for this, it's a
and we already put them inside of the bowl.
How much that is. Oh, it's starting to make me cry. Ah, I thought I got out of it. But
This is the celery
like
for our stuffings. Oh, never mind. We are sautéing the vegetables right now. Oh, now they tell us.
I think we can use this more minutes.
Yeah, it's like this way every
first I want to read
week.
the chats, and then I know.
We are adding the salt, and we are adding the pepper.
I'm gonna do that.
Uh-oh, my nose. Ah, shoot.
I have time.
Bless you, Flynn. Oh, thanks, guys. You are welcome.
I'm gonna put thyme in there.
And garlic. No vampires were harmed on the making of this video. Oh, Flynn. And rosemary. And now we are mixing the sauteed celery, the sauteed onions, and the artificial breadcrumbs. There we go. We're putting in the eggs.
In this little bowl, not the big one.
I'm using a big bowl.
And the chicken broth. And now it's time to mix in our ingredients for the stuffings.
Just give it a couple. I see
Oh man,
Caroline's
those
stirring. Nice job.
stuffings will be good. Oh yeah, they would.
It smells so good. I wish.
Oh,
Does
yummy.
Heather, Caroline,
Oh, I cannot wait until they're ready. Neither can I, and neither can I. Too bad the dogs cannot have them.
Spotlight you so everyone can see.
Because they have onions in them.
Ooh,
Onions
yum.
in them.
Looks good, Mark. Look at you scooping it out.
Man, and sadly,
Big muffins.
those dogs
Those are
cannot
big muffins.
have onions.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So, more for us.
Great, Mark. Draw.
Oh, you're drawing now, huh?
Anyone in the mood?
And you're drawing now, huh? Yes. So we gotta get going. So bye, Hevel. Bye, Hevel. And bye, Hevel.
Thing with you real quick, a link.
And I'll see you when we pack up the toys.